Hello, our group is presenting our Fall 2024 GCPS Bus Monitoring Capstone Project. GCPS currently uses Samsara APIs to pull data about their buses every 5 seconds. Doing this method takes a while to query and causes other latency issues. Our solution was to create a Kafka event streaming approach with the goal of reducing said issues and addressing real-time data processing.
Our current design overview shows our solution in a Linux server. That's because we were requested to make it in a Red Hat 9 server. This server was provided to us by Kennesaw State University, and it contains a Docker container, which also has a few other things going on, including a Kafka topic, a producer Python, and a consumer Python file, along with our MySQL database. And the React front end will be querying off of our database. For the producer, we produce location and speed events, and these are both done in a Python script. And so then it connects to the Kafka, where this location is then stored for the consumer to grab it from. Here you can see our consumer has a Kafka instance, which it's using to grab the information from Kafka, and then it'll be inserting that information into the database.
Our database design consists of two separate tables, one for the events that were generated and the information associated with those, and the bus telemetry that the events produced that were also consumed and processed. These two tables are connected through the event ID, allowing GCPS developers to link the two tables and pin down and locate any issues that could happen during runtime. As containerization was an important component of our solution, Docker was used to package the key components of the project, including Kafka, Zookeeper, MySQL, and our Python scripts. This allows our solution to be deployed across different systems that may or may not have different versions of these softwares installed. Part of our deployment includes the port information for each service, preventing port collisions that could impact functionality, which could include our front-end map port, our Kafka port, and anything else that was used in this project.
On this slide, you can see our results and said produced information being stored into our database and then displayed and tracked through our front end coupled with the usage of Mapbox. Thank you for tuning in for our capstone presentation.